Hello friends, today is day 23 of our 30-day declutter and we are decluttering dog toys. I want to thank all of you for your birthday wishes for me and Olive Grace. We had a great day. Olive Grace got this new toy. We call it Foxy. She loves it. It's long. It's got lots of little squeakies in it, and she loves those squeakies. She also got these pig ears. I know they say bully sticks, but they are pig's ears. And then she got these smaller bully sticks. She loves these things. 9 o'clock every morning, she's reminding us that it's time for her bully sticks or her pig's ears. Anyways, I'm going to get in here and I'm going to get all this cleaned out. There's so much junk in here. There's a lot of bones that need to be thrown out. These are her babies that she loves. This is the one that she actually came with when she was brought to us. She was probably about 8 months old then. She is now 6 years old. So I'm going to get in here and I'm going to get out the toys that she's no longer playing with or that are torn up or too small for her, because some of them are small. This is her bell. If you remember right, I told you that she was bell trained. When she came to us, she could ring a bell. Now I don't have a place to hang it on my back door, so she just rings my curtains. And then these right here are what her and what we call her niece, my daughter's dog, they wear that for 4th of July. These are her little nail clippers, but I can't get them shut for some reason, so I just move on. Now I'm going to go ahead and take out all these bones. I'm going to get this vacuumed out and then put back in the things that she absolutely loves. So I hope that you guys are still enjoying this 30-day declutter. I know they're short and sweet, and you can get right in, get this stuff done. It should be done in 15 minutes or less. That's the goal, is to do it for 15 minutes or less. I don't know about you, but I have gotten a lot of things out of my house by doing just 15 minutes a day of decluttering in these specific areas. Now, I've tried to give you very specific areas or items to declutter. So I really hope that breaking it down like this has been very helpful for you. If it has, let me know down in the comments, because I really love chatting with you guys down in the comments. So I'm going to try to give this thing a vacuum the best that I can. As you can see, I'm at a very odd angle, and if I stand up over the basket like I should be, I would be in the way of the camera. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick like this, and I will try to get as much of it out as I can. Then I'm going to get in there and I'm going to spray a dog deodorizer that I typically use on the inside portion of her dog bed. So I'll take the outside cover off, I'll wash that really well, and then I'll spray this spray on the actual pillow part that you can't put in the wash. And I will be doing that here in the next couple of days. It'll be time for me to wash all her bedding. And when I do that is when I also throw her toys, her little stuffies there. I throw those in the wash along with all her bedding. Okay, so here's all the bones that I got out of here. These are all going to go in the trash. She's no longer using those. And then the things to the right I'll be keeping. The things to the left I'll be getting rid of. So I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. I'm also leaving you with a deep cleaning video that I did last Sunday. I hope that you'll go see that. It's going to be linked right after this. I'll see you again tomorrow. Until then, stay blessed, my friends.